Hello, today I'm going to show you that it's possible to use a regular deck of Uno to create a standard deck of cards so you can play any card game that you like. So in a standard deck of cards then you've got 13 cards from ace through to king, and this is in the hearts at this stage. So ace through to king is 13 cards in hearts, but you've also got another 13 cards in the diamonds from ace through to king, plus another 13 cards in the clubs from ace through to king, and another 13 cards in the spades from ace through to king, which gives you the 52 cards. Now in the deck of Uno, the standard deck of Uno, that comes with 108 cards, so there's going to be a number of cards left over that you don't actually need to use when you're creating a standard deck of cards. So I've used 4 of most cards, except that I haven't used the 4 wilds and also the 4+4s. So they're the only cards that I didn't need from the Uno deck. And what I've done there is for the way I'm doing it is that all the hearts then are equivalent with all the red cards are all the hearts, and then I'm saying that all the yellow cards in the Uno deck are equivalent to the diamonds, and then all the green cards are equivalent to the clubs, and then all the blue cards are equivalent to the spades. So if I just run through those cards now, you can see starting at ace, then the ace is equivalent to those 4 1 cards. So red 1 is the same as the ace of hearts. The yellow 1 is the same as the ace of diamonds. The green 1 is the same as the ace of clubs, and then the blue 1 is the same as the ace of spades. And I've done the same for the 2s then. You've got the 2 of hearts, 2 of diamonds, 2 of clubs, and 2 of spades, and the same going all the way through the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, 6, 7s, 8s, until you get to the 9s, which is 9 of hearts, 9 of diamonds, 9 of clubs, and the 9 of spades. And so once you get to the 10s and onwards, it starts to get a little bit more tricky, a little bit more interesting. So the red 0 is the same as the 10 of hearts. The yellow 0 is the same as the 10 of diamonds. The green 0 is the same as the 10 of clubs. And then the blue 0 is the same as the 10 of spades there. So, and then for the jacks then, I've used the 4 different skip colours for the jacks. For the queen, the 4 reverses, and then for the kings, I've used the 4 different +4s, and I've created there 52 cards from the Uno deck, so you can play any regular game that you like with these 52 cards. So it might be useful once you're sorting out your deck, perhaps write on a piece of paper that the 10 equals the 0, the jack equals the skip, queen reverse, and the king equals the +2, so that you remember which is which when you're playing, and just as a bit of a constant reminder for people. And say for instance then if you're playing poker, and then you were to get a flush in poker, then you might get any 5 red cards would give you a flush in poker. And also for a straight in poker, then you might have say 5. You've got to get 5 cards in a row to get the straight. So you might have 8, 9, 0, skip, and reverse would give you 5 cards in order to give you a straight in poker. Okay, so this is my way of creating 52 unique cards from the deck of Uno, and these are equivalent to the 52 cards that are in a standard deck, so that you're able to play any standard game of cards using this combination of 52 Uno cards. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.